it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we are with Popcaan, Pop School. Yeah, with Life is Real. Pick up the unruly boss. Life is Real. They want to just drop like half an hour ago. Just done stream and just in the mood. We just got shot through some reaction quick and fast. So here we are with Poppy, Life is Real. Let's jump to the one and you're ready. Unruly boss officer. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Yeah, let's go!
Yeah,
call it the bread. You know what it go? Yeah,
call it the bread entertainment.
Yo, Bashi. One law.
Logic Supreme.
Yeah, man, them always want down sentiments native, you know? But I greatness always fall out at the end of the day, though. Tell them anytime, them feel with many times. The Glock full up a binds. Yeah, them not real again. Them quick fi sell your heart just via dollar can. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away.
Big up that boss.
Life is real. Know the pain where we feel. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real. Fighter. And none of them a fight with. That's why they kill the have to love the Almighty.
Yo.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Like Popcaan, eat Popcaan. One thing on the office say when Popcaan drop a song is a fucking banger. It's a hit song. No joke. Popcaan master the craft of finding hit song. Popcaan know how to find a hit song. So it no matter if you don't say unruly or not, you have to give Popcaan him credit. I'm not at the digital credit. You have to give the G him credit, bro. You have to give the G him credit, bro. No fucking joke right now.
Yeah, call it the bread.
Listen how relatable this song is. The man not kill up himself. The man not shout just in the school. Like, watch it now. Watch it.
Always want down sentiments native, you know? But a greatness always fall out at the end of the day, though.
Man, chat the realest thing, them brother. Watch it now.
Tell them anytime, them feel with many times. The Glock full up a binds. Yeah, them.
Anytime, them feel with many times. The Glock full up a binds. You know now? You know now?
Yeah, tell them anytime, them feel with many times. The Glock full up a binds. Yeah, them not real again. Them quick fi sell your heart just via dollar can. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real. Know the pain where we feel. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real. Fighter.
Pause. You see how much time him emphasize upon life is real? Me can't make them take mine away, bro. The man should say you value him life, bro. Him want to sink it in your head. If you don't catch it the first time or the second time, you must hear him say the third time, brother. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away, bro. And remember, you know, you see the people them who quicker to kill you are the one them with the dare on you, brother. The one them with like friends turn enemy kind of shit, dog. And them people they are the quickest one to sell you out and kill you, bro. You see me? Them people that know your ins and outs, them people that know which way you lay your head, which way you park your car, everything about you them know because you were friends once. And once they move from around you, majority of the time, you don't switch up or you move. You still move not the same way, not knowing so them a pray you, dog.
Yeah, make them take mine away. Life is real. Fighter. And none of them a fight with. That's why they kill the have to love the Almighty. Anytime me just fly out on a private. Them big bad them not gym, me no fear avoid it.
I don't know them a fight with, brother. I don't know. I don't know them a try thing, bro.
Them a fight with. That's why the killer have to love the Almighty. I anytime me just fly out on a private. Them big bad energy me know fi avoid it.
When them bring bad energy, him know if you avoid it because it's been so been so many times where them try. So him know how to deal with them now. Him know how to approach the situation and just avoid certain situation. Him know how to deal with it, dog.
Me just fly out on a private. Them big bad energy me know fi avoid it. Me mother tell me say me get talking. Me tell her say me never even if me give offering.
Miss Rona same guitar king. Yeah, you know the relationship with Miss Rona and Papi already. So Mama Rona tell him say, yo, you know say guitar king? Hear him say to her.
On a private, them big bad energy me know fi avoid it. Me mother tell me say me get talking. Me tell her say me never even if me give offering.
The man say me nah no heaven if me give offering. You know say Mama Rona nah go like that, you know. Mama Ronin now got like the answer there, you know, cause you don't know how she feel about for your church and for your God, you know.
Mother tell me say me get talking. Me tell her say me never even if me give offering. People you show your love and give your things often. Same one me pop your neck just like a guitar string.
Facts. The same one them when you have running, the same one them where you show love to. The same one them when you stretch out your hand and give something. Look on your finger, be a bite mark upon it, then bite up the wall of your hand. Them rather quick for pop your neck like a guitar string. Look at the comparison, man.
Them big bad energy me know fi avoid it. Me mother tell me say me get talking. Me tell her say me never even if me give offering. People you show your love and give your things often. Same one me pop your neck just like a guitar string. South Spring, anytime now. Millions a pile now. Some people I go hate we anytime them find out. Say but she just go buy this spaceship and drive out. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real. Them don't know the pain when we feel. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real. Me and Jimmy and bro my Friday on a jet a whole of vibes. Kill them a tell me say good to be alive. I call the bank and make a check up and the check where does arrive. Buy the girl. Life is real. Yeah, make them take mine away. Life is real. Me and Jimmy and bro my Friday on a jet a whole of vibes. Kill them a tell me say good to be alive. I call the bank and make a check up and the check where does arrive. Buy the girl shall with the pool and watch me pitney them a die. Me tell them say we great and never did believe it. Father God that send me bless me receive it. When me touch the road I hold it more than 3 clip. Me ever hope me know the pussy them a pre this. What? South Spring, anytime now. Say we great and never did believe it. Father God that send me bless me receive it. When me touch the road I hold it more than 3 clip. Me ever hope me know the pussy them a pre this. What? South Spring,
8 song.
anytime now.
8 bumbo class
Millions
on
a
this.
pile now. Some people I go hate we anytime them find out. Say but she just go buy this spaceship and drive out. Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real.
Well, Lava, so I see him in that video one time when the video starts. When them see him again.
Life is real. Can't make them take mine away. Life is real. Fucking thing, no man. And roll the state here.
Believe.
Yeah, one now. Yeah, but she a fighter and fucking thing, bro. Rokumpen, Rodom.
Rokumpen, Rodom.
In we go. None I can do here. Life is real. Street.
Yo. Collect the bread entertainment. Big up on yourself. You get a hit song, brother. You get a hit song. This is a fucking hit song. You get one. You get a hit song from Papi. This is a hit song. Yo. Me no want ono two. Yo. Whatever you try doing a dance, I don't can't downplay Papi achievements, bro. You can't downplay the fact that Papi is a superstar, brother. Papi is a mega star across the world, dog. Any show Papi touch, anywhere in the world, sell out, brother. Ram, bro, like just look on the man fan base, now, bro. In a normal in a dog. Me no want to see Papi a road and feel say Papi as some little, as some little. Yo, the man thing the normal, bro. Like no joke, dog. Out in the world and see some show with the man depend, bro. No joke, the man thing the normal, brother. And no joke. Yo, Papi, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro. That's all me I say. Life is definitely real. And the message in the song what the boss has sent you, definitely real. That's why it make it so repetitive. It's late, late to me, so brain not too thick, Yeah, 1:30 in the morning, But today I put in the work, see me, I know the work I put in. But yo, I'm not joke, brother. You see me? Papi, you up your fucking self, dog. That's all I'm gonna say. You see me? Yeah. If you want to see more Papi, click on any one of them two video and get the next Papi reaction. No. Yeah. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one for real, for real. Big up yourself. Unruly state. Know that. You must tell you that. I'm out.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rip corner.